Hello friends, welcome once again to Exponential online math class. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So we have an exponential equation facing us. So let's profile a solution to that. Oh my God! How can I have x to the power of x to the power of 3 at the same time? This is honestly a very serious one, but there is a solution to it. It's very simple. Once you master the way of doing things, you start getting it. It's not difficult. Because the power is having a power, I can reduce it by saying let y, or any letter you like, represents the power. The power is x to the power of 3. So from this, supposing I make x the subject of the formula now, you will see that I'm taking the cube root of both sides. So I'm not, yes. So you now see that if I take the cube root of both sides, that x is something as cube root of y. That's the implication. When you take the cube root of both sides, cube, we cancel cube here. So y, x becomes y, the cube root of y. So if this is the value of x, it means that I'm going to use this to replace x in this particular equation here. So I shall now have, look at the first x, I'll write cube root of y into, seeing x again, I'll still write raised to the power of cube root of y, then raised to the power of 3 equals 3. Remember, cube root of anything means that thing raised to the power of 1 over 3. You should take note of that. So this is something as y raised to the power of 1 over 3 for this one here. Look at this again. I'll call it y raised to the power of 1 over 3. Then bracket 3 equals 3. Without wasting time, 1 over 3 times 3 is 1. It has gone. So we are left with y raised to the power of 1 over 3. Sorry, y raised to the power of y, 1 over 3 times y, because this is y power of 1 over 3 that is here. If I like, I can remove this bracket to avoid confusion. So this is y raised to the power of 1 over 3. Look at it here. Then y is left here equals 3. And you can call this y raised to the power of 1 times y is y all over 3 is equal to 3. To get the value of y, you can raise both sides to the power of 3 so that this 3 can cancel out. So I can multiply, I can raise both sides by power of 3. So that this 3 will cancel this 3. I'm left with y raised to the power of y is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3. Remember, whatever you do to both sides of an equation makes it to be the same, it stays valid. So if y raised to the power of y is equal to 3 power of 3, it means that y is 3 in both cases. Because y is 3 here, y is 3 here. And again, 3 power 3 is 27. If I put 3 for y here, I will still get both the same thing. So from here, our y, therefore y is equal to 3. That is the value of y. But we are not solving for y. The equation says solve for the value of x. And do you know that y is equal to 3? So wherever I see y, I'll put 3. So look at y here. Or rather, we are looking for the value of x. X is cube root of y. I can use it here. So x will now be cube root of y. And what is y? Y is 3. You put 3 here. So this is the value of x, cube root of 3. That is the value of x. And if you want to check if you are correct, you can still plug in this equation to see if it will give you 3. So you can check. Seeing x to the power of x to the power of 3 is the same thing as cube root of 3. X again, cube root of 3 to the power of 3. This will now be cube root of 3 means 3 to the power of 1 over 3. Cube root of 3 again, 3 to the power of 1 over 3. 1 over 3, then bracket 3 here. This 3 will cancel out. We now have 3 to the power of 1 over 3 times 3. What we have in here is 3. So this 3 will cancel out, this 3 will just have 3. So you can see it's giving you back your 3. Therefore, the answer or the value of x which satisfies this particular equation is cube root of 3. Thank you so much, and may God bless you for viewing. Don't forget to share.